Hi guys! So someone asked the question I should teach how to use the piping bag and the nozzle. Here it is. This is our piping bag, the unused one. You cut off the two ends. That pointed end, you're not going to cut it so much. Just cut off a bit of it. You cut the other end too. You open it up. Okay, we have the two types of nozzle, the big one and the small one. So for the small one, you're going to pick that white thing in the middle. It is called cupola. It is into two. Put the bigger one inside the piping bag. Okay, pick up your small nozzle, put it on top of the piping bag and lock it up. That is it. Now for the big one, it has cupola. We have big cupolas, but I don't usually use it. I'll just drop my big nozzle into the piping bag, and here it is. Cheers. Bye. See you in the next class.